welcome back to Crypto Shark, and today episode we're gonna talk about big news from PayPal and Venmo. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you basically a little bit a couple of news that I saw, and I think it's gonna be really interesting for you, and I'm gonna show you these great news. So I saw this article and I really wanted to show you that because this is a big news for cryptocurrency. You guys can um, hold Bitcoin and make a lot of money just by holding it. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not gonna tell you what to do with your money. I'm just telling you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy a little bit of crypto, bitcoins and Ethereum, and I'm just gonna hold it. One of the reasons because many people gonna be exposed, and it's maybe not gonna affect the price in this week, maybe in a month, but it's gonna affect the price in a couple of months. Now this is the big news. PayPal expand its crypto offering to its Venmo payment app. Okay, so PayPal Venmo is the latest payment app to embrace crypto, allowing its users to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin, other currencies. The hash panel digs into the PayPal's continuing big bets in the cryptocurrency and the future mainstream payment options. So this can be really huge news for us, as you guys see this article. I'm gonna, if you wanna read it yourself and check it out, you're gonna see the description below. The link below the description. All right. So this is the big news that we have today. Okay. Now let's see the latest news. Okay. Um, so we have here South Korea kicks off new crackdown on illicit crypto activities. The government's special enforcement periods stem from a new crypto-related law that took effect this year. Right, this is another nice new. And Solana-backed Bitcoin self-off. Upstart blockchain challenges Ethereum on speed fees. Okay, so Solana. If you guys hold Solana, I'm almost sure uh, you can make the double X. Okay, it's gonna fly a little bit just because of this news. Okay, and market wrap: Bitcoin flat at 56.7 Ether rises, and it wasn't Doge day afternoon. All right. And so Dogecoin, about us, Dogecoin, if you're holding a Dogecoin, you're probably going to be a really happy person. I hope it's help you to understand that the crypto is here to stay, and you can make a really nice money by doing that, just holding cryptos. Okay, another thing, let's go to the market cap. I was talking about it before, guys, and I told you if you want to hear about the coins that I think gonna fly up and fly to the moon, and you wanna participate and just hold these coins, you can always look at my other videos that I am posting, and this is basically my predictions for the next coin. So look at this. The peak finance, I started with 0.000000001. Now look at this. It's already going by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 4. It's always going up. I bought a little bit pig finance token. You can find it in the description below in the market cap. And here, as you can see, it's going up in the past couple of days. It's just still going up. Now it's already a little bit stabilized, but the communities keep pushing this coin, and I believe this coin can reach at least a 1 cent. If it's reached 1 cent, that's it, I'm gonna be retired. Alright, so this, how can you buy this peak finance? So first of all, you're gonna go to coin market cap, okay, and you're gonna press on the search, you're gonna press PIG. Okay, so PIG is gonna be pig. It's gonna give you that little pig over here. So you press on that, it's gonna take you to this page, right? And now, how do you buy? First of all, you need to have a MetaMask connected to your computer. Okay. I mean, I'm using Brave, so in Brave we have different one. It's like a MetaMask, but connected to a smart chain. If you want to know how to connect um, MetaMask to smart chain, you can check this video on the top, and this video gonna explain you exactly how to do it. Now look at this. Let me see about the pig. So first of all, once you enter that, you have a link here, pig token dot finance. Okay, you press on that token and it's gonna take you to the next menu. Let me close this, which is here. You can see a little bit about the company and what this token is basically gonna do, and they have a small roadmap, a website, NFT, social media. They already completed almost all of them. Website upgrade, audit to Ether Authority, NFT for ARMS performance upgrades. Now marketing push. So once they do the marketing push, guys, I'm telling you, this coin just gonna bring more and more customers, and if you get in right now, you're probably gonna get X thousand. It's a possibility. I don't promise anything, but this is what I do. So the next thing, you wanna buy, if you wanna buy the coin, you just press buy now. It's gonna take you to Pancake Swap. It's gonna give you that little menu here. You're gonna see here is the menu. Token important. Anyone who create a BIP20 token on Binance Smart Chain with any name, including creating a fake version of existing token and tokens that claim to represent a project that do not have a token. This interface can lead to arbitrary token by token addresses. Please take extra caution and do your research when interacting with the arbitrary BIP20 tokens. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. Okay, that's the risk you're taking, but for now, as I can see, the community keep pushing it forward. So once you press on that, you have your balance over here. You have to put BNB on your wallet. Once you finish that, you can just buy as many pigs as you want. As you can see right now on the price of that, I can buy 735 million tokens. I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna buy a little bit less. Okay, here you go, and I'm gonna buy the token. Hold on a second. Here you go. I'm gonna buy this token. You press on buy, confirm swap. It's gonna take you to this menu and you confirm. Once you buy the tokens, you're gonna have much more. Now imagine that this, if it's can reach to even, you know what, 0.001, I'm gonna make 10, like a lot of money. I can't even calculate that. So that's another thing about pig. I really recommend that. All the links gonna be in the description below. All right, well guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked this episode. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below for a chance to win 500,000 pigs tokens. Just comment something below and we're gonna make a small giveaway. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice